Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at how to retrieve the list of all the event types on your account using our API. A common use case for this would be, suppose you are working on a report and want to get a list of all the meeting types that are currently being offered. So here is how you can do that via our API. To begin, let's head over to Account Integration, APIs and Webhook, and grab our API key. With the API key in hand, the next stop would be our Developer Center, that is our API reference page. Here, under the event types function is list all event types. Now, for a more comprehensive view, I'll go ahead and access our API client. The first thing that we need to do here is validate our API key. With the key valid, we are all set. Let's head over to event types. List all event types. API key is in place, so just click on send. And here we have a list of all the active or currently offered event types that are on the account. So the payload contains the event type ID, the name, the label, along with the description of the relevant event type. So this is very useful to go ahead for like you're making a report. You can just go ahead and gather this information using API. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.